Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at hitch covers, and in particular the one from Protec. So come and join us. So hitch covers, do you use one or do you not use one? Personally, I like to use one. Now people say, well, what's the point, because when you're towing it all gets covered in muck anyway. Well, there is a point, I feel, and the point is when you're actually in storage like we are at the moment, and you've got all this equipment, as in your hitch, you've got your electrics and you've got your braking system, you need to cover it up and stop the dirt getting at it, because the less dirt that you have on the actual system itself means that it's going to last a lot longer and the maintenance is low. So let's have a look at the Protec cover for your hitch in a little bit more detail. So taking a look at the Protec cover in a little bit more detail and close up, we have the Protec cover fabric itself, which is used on most of their products. It's very durable and also it's waterproof. Now at the front of the hitch cover here we have an elasticated sewn in section. Now this is where your actual hitch will fit into at the front. Then you have 4 tabs here with the clip receivers. You have 2 in the middle and you have 2 at the end, and these fit these straps, which are fully adjustable. Great idea. Simply just push in, it clicks, and then you can adjust it like so. So to fit this hitch cover by Protec, what we're going to do is we're going to take the elasticated part at the front, which I showed you a minute ago, and we're going to slip that underneath here. So first of all, let's fit that underneath. So there you go, you have a nice snug fit there. What we're going to do now is we're going to pull this further back, and as you can see, unlike some covers, this actually covers the whole of the A-frame. So it's going to protect every single element of the A-frame. We're going to take these clips and we're going to pass them underneath and we're going to clip them, and then we're going to adjust them tight. So as you can see, we've covered the A-frame or hitch area of your caravan, and we've covered it completely. It's very waterproof and very durable, as I said at the beginning of the video, and it is very lightweight as well. So it's not going to take up a lot of space when folded up, and also it's not going to be carrying too much weight in your caravan as well. Now Protec do a range of covers. They do a full-size cover for the caravan itself, they do the now very popular towing jacket, and they do this as a standalone product as well. Now if you'd like further information on colours and prices, why not click the link below and give Protec a little look. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope that you join us again soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.